Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create email campaigns in MailChimp. So first of all, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Open MailChimp on your browser and look into your account. And here, over the left panel, click on Campaigns and click on Create to start creating your first campaign. So choose, for example, if you want to create a regular email campaign, automation campaign, or landing page campaign. So I'm going to choose regular email and click on Design Email to start designing your email campaign. And here, add your recipes. Who are you sending this email campaign to? From you, add your subject here, subject title and preview text. To the preview emails, add your send time if you want to send the email right now or schedule the email. And for the content, click on Design Email to start designing your email content. You can choose an email preview here. I'm going to choose this one. Click on Apply. This email campaign will be added to your email template and click on Save and Exit. This way you just started to create your email campaign in a very simple step here. And this is pretty much it, guys. Click on Finish Later and our Camille campaign has already been designed and created. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.